wondered how our day begins with a beautiful sunrise and ends with a stunning sunset? It's a daily spectacle that never fails to amaze us. But have you ever stopped to think why this happens? Why does the sun appear to rise and set every day? It's a question that lights up the sky. The answer lies in our very own star, the sun, that's right at the center of our solar system. Well, that's because of our very own star, the sun. Let's dive into the vast universe and explore more. Imagine if you could take a spaceship and travel through the solar system. Wouldn't that be an adventure of a lifetime? So fasten your seatbelts, everyone, because our cosmic journey is about to begin. First stop, our very own home, planet Earth, nestled comfortably third from the sun. But wait, it's not alone. See that shiny little dot circling us? That's our moon, our constant companion in the vast emptiness of space. Next, we zip past Mars, the red planet, and then Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Look at its giant red storm. It's been raging on for centuries. And those beautiful rings you see, they belong to Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. But our journey doesn't stop here. We continue past Uranus, Neptune, and yes, let's not forget about Pluto, our favorite dwarf planet. As we move further away from the sun, things start to get a little chilly. We're now in the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies and comets. Out here, everything is peaceful and quiet, but don't let that fool you. This is the home of some of the solar system's most fascinating phenomena. Now let's head back in, past the gas giants and the rocky planets, until we reach the center of it all, the sun. It's not just any star, it's our star, providing us with light and warmth, making life possible on Earth. Our journey through the solar system is not just about planets and stars, though. It's also filled with asteroids, comets, and meteors. You see, the solar system is a bustling place, with so much happening at every corner. It's like a giant cosmic playground. And as we cruise back to Earth, we realize just how special our place in the universe is. We're part of something much larger than ourselves, a vast, beautiful, and ever-expanding universe. Oh, what an exciting journey it would be, don't you think? Now, let's focus on the brightest star we can see from Earth, our sun. Imagine holding 1,000,000 Earths in your hands. That sounds like a lot, right? Well, that's how many Earths could fit inside the sun. Yes, the sun is over 1,000,000 times the size of our planet. It's so big, in fact, that it makes up about 99.8% of the total mass of our entire solar system. Now that's a heavyweight champion. But even though it's so large, the sun is not close to us. It's about 93 million miles away from Earth. That's so far that light, which travels at an incredible speed, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us from the sun. So when you look at the sun, you're actually seeing it as it was over 8 minutes ago. It's like having a time machine in the sky. The sun is a burning ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. Deep inside its core, the sun is constantly converting hydrogen into helium through a process called nuclear fusion. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. It's like an enormous, never-ending explosion, and it's this energy that makes life on Earth possible. Without the sun's warmth, our planet would be a frozen wasteland. The sun's energy drives the water cycle, powers photosynthesis in plants, and makes our planet warm enough for us to live. It's also responsible for our seasons, days, and nights. But the sun isn't just important for life, it's also a source of inspiration and wonder. For thousands of years, people have studied the sun, built monuments to honor it, and written stories about it. The sun is more than just a star. It's a symbol of life, hope, and the power of nature. Without the sun, our Earth would be a dark, cold, lifeless place. Have you ever noticed how everything in the solar system seems to move in a certain pattern? It's almost like a grand celestial dance, with each planet twirling around the sun, our central star, in its own unique way. Just like in a ballet, where each dancer has their own moves and rhythm, each planet in our solar system has its own dance routine. This is what we call an orbit. An orbit is the path that a planet takes as it moves around the sun. Let's imagine the sun as a grand music conductor standing at the center of a huge cosmic stage. The music conductor's job is to guide the orchestra, setting the tempo and rhythm. In the same way, the sun's gravitational pull guides the planets, setting their speed and direction. Mercury, the smallest of the planets, is like the quickest dancer. It zips around the sun in a fast-paced tango, completing a full orbit in just 88 Earth days. Venus, our sister planet, prefers a slow waltz. It takes 225 Earth days to make one full circle around the sun. Our Earth, where we live, follows its own beat, spinning around the sun in a perfect rhythm that takes 365 and a quarter days. That's why we have leap years every 4 years, to make up for that extra quarter. Mars, the red planet, dances a slower foxtrot, taking about 1.88 Earth years to complete its orbit. The gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, prefer a stately minuet, taking 12 and 29 Earth years respectively to circle the sun. Uranus, the sideways planet, spins on its side in a hip-hop groove, taking 84 Earth years to complete one orbit. And Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun, dances a slow and graceful ballet, taking a whopping 165 Earth years to make one full circle around the sun. And then, there's Pluto, the dwarf planet. Even though it's not officially a planet anymore, it still loves to dance. It twirls around the sun in a unique cha-cha, taking 248 Earth years to complete its orbit. So, every planet dances to the tune of the sun, our magnificent music conductor. Each planet's dance, or orbit, is different, defined by its distance from the sun and the strength of the sun's gravitational pull. This grand celestial dance is a spectacle of cosmic proportions, a ballet that has been going on for billions of years and will continue for billions more. Ready for some fun facts to impress your friends? Buckle up because we're about to blast off into a world of amazing space trivia. Did you know that our solar system is around 4.5 billion years old? That's right, it's been around for a very, very long time, and it's expected to last for another 5 billion years. Now that's what I call a long-term plan. And here's something that might surprise you. The sun, that big, bright star at the center of our solar system, is over 1 million times bigger than the Earth. Imagine how many Earth-sized footballs you could fit into the sun. It's mind-boggling. Speaking of the sun, did you know that it's not actually yellow? It's white. The reason it looks yellow to us is because of our atmosphere scattering the sunlight, a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, named after the British scientist Lord Rayleigh who first studied it. And now, hold on to your hats, because this next fact might just blow you away. The solar system, as our journey comes to an end, the sun is setting, painting the sky with beautiful colors. We've explored the solar system, danced with planets, and learned fun facts about our very own star, the sun. Its light and warmth keep us alive, a fiery beacon in the cold void of space. It's a constant companion even when it dips below the horizon. The next time you see a sunrise or a sunset, remember, it's our sun, the star of the solar system, saying hello or goodbye.